chapter that you studied to create a 6 square pattern, 6 hexagon pattern, 8 pentagon pattern. Did you learn? If you understand that logic, it is very easy. Okay. Once again, we have to write that one program to continue today's class. Okay. I am writing the program for 6 square. 6 square pattern. Okay. What will be the first command? Again and again I am repeating. From turtle import star. After that, what command is given? Clear. Are you able to see? Clear. Then after that, pen size. Pen size, inside the size you can give this. Pen color. Inside the pen color you can give a color. Then after that, for I in range. What is the first loop for? What is the first loop for? How many numbers? How many numbers? 6 squares. If it is 6, what will be the RT? 360 divided by 6? 60. RT 60. After that, the second loop for J in range. What is the second loop for? What you are going to draw? That is square. For drawing the square, FD is required. 100, RT or 90. Why 90? 360 divided by 4, 90. The program is finished. In today's class, we are learning how will you fill color inside that pattern. How will you fill color inside that pattern? How will you fill color? Say in page number 50. I don't know in which page. This is an old text. So turn the page and see. You can see the color. Fill color. Blue color is filled up inside that pattern. Pattern agathe blue color. Blue color kodutirikkana. How will you do that? For doing that, we have to learn a command. That is, I am removing this blue color. Okay. Pen color I am removing. We are learning a new thing. That is the command color. See, we are learning the command color. C-O-L-O-R, color. Inside the color, if I am writing blue, only a particular color, it will be the outline color. Outline. What do you mean by outline color? The square and this lines will be in blue color. The lines will be in blue color. Color ennulla command, if you are giving only one color, it will be the outline color. It will be the outline color. For example, inside the color command, I am giving 2 colors. I am giving red, blue. Red, blue. Then, this first color will be the fill color and the second color will be the border color. Second color will be the border color. Got it? Inside the color command, if I am giving 2 colors, the first color will be the fill color. Figure nagattulla color. The square nagattulla color, that is the fill color. The fill color is the first one. And the second one will be the border color. Second one will be the border color. Now in this program, we want this command. Isn't it? We want this command. Because we want to fill that pattern. Fill that pattern. I am going to give that command. we have learned? Color. In color, no U is there. Inside the double quotes, I am giving the fill color as red, comma, then the border color as yellow. Okay. Did you get it? This is the way for write. But while writing this, we cannot get the fill color. Two more commands we have to write. Two more commands we have to write. What is the two more commands we have to write? We have to give in the beginning, begin fill. Program starting le endu kodukkanam? Begin underscore fill. Program end il endu kodukkanam? End underscore fill. These two commands should be included inside this. Is it clear? We cannot get color while writing this command. This command മാത്രം എഴുതിയത് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് color കിട്ടത്തില്ല. What do you have to do? You have to add begin underscore fill, end underscore fill. Where we have to write this? You have to write before this for loop. Before this for loop. How will I write? Before this for loop, you have to write begin underscore fill. After that, you have to write the for loop. For I in range, inside it's 6, RT 60. After the end, as the last line, in this margin, you have to write end underscore fill. You get it? When you press the enter key, the cursor will be here. Enter key press cursor. But you have to backspace and bring the cursor to the level of begin fill. Begin fill in the level like cursor you have to write end underscore fill. Then only you get the fill color. What I mean is, if I am writing end fill here, if I am writing the end fill here, because the cursor will be standing there. If I press the enter key, the cursor will be standing there. If I write the end fill there, I will not get the fill color. I will not get the fill color. Fill color kitnodundengi end fill evade ezhudam? You have to bring the cursor back and to the level of begin fill, you have to write end fill. Is it clear? In today's class, we are learning this much only.
Welcome to the practical section. We are learning color filling in Python. Now you fill color to a pattern. Programming ideally. We don't write the program here. File, new file. Here we have to write the program. Okay. I'm opening an earlier program which we have written. What is the name of the program? Square pattern. Open. Okay. Here we have to write the command color, isn't it? We have learned to write a new command, that is color. COLOR. Inside the bracket, inside the double quotes, we will write the color, comma, yellow. Double quotes close, bracket close. Here, while taking the theory class, I made a mistake. you were writing the lecture note, correct it. The first color indicates the border color. The first color indicates the border color and the second one is the fill color. Okay, cut it down and write. First color is the border color and the second one fill color. Okay. Oh, yes. After that, we have to write the command begin underscore fill and closing the bracket. After that, the first loop. After the first loop, we will write the second loop for j in range inside the bracket, giving 4 colon, pressing the enter key, FD 90, then RT, sorry, FD we have to give 100. Even if we give 90, what happens? The length of the line will be 90. Then after that, I will press the enter key. We don't write the end fill here. Press the backspace key and come to the level of begin fill. Then write end underscore fill. After that, run the program. Okay. See, it is drawing the pattern. You can see the fill color. But see, here it is a new pattern. We don't see the fill color here in these parts, white parts. How will you do that? For that, we have to place this color and the begin fill between the two for loop. Between the two for loop. Between the two for loop means after RT. See, I am going to cut this color and begin fill. Cut. After that, I am pressing the enter key. See, it is standing below this RT. Here I am going to paste. Okay. And fill also to the level of this. Okay. Now we will see the change. Run module. Okay. See, the whole square is getting the fill color. The whole square is getting the fill color. What you have to keep in mind is the color and begin fill should be written inside, not inside, in between the two loop. We have two loops. You have to write in between the two loops. Then one thing we have to keep in mind, the begin fill and end fill should be of the same margin. See, these all things are at the same margin. Only the first for loop is towards the left margin, isn't it? Yes. This much for today's class. By changing the color, you can see the change. Giving green, and here I am giving pink. Okay. Run module. Yes. How did I get the earlier pattern? For that, the color and begin fill will be above the loops. Okay. Thank you. This much for today's class. Make clear that the first color is the border color and the second one fill color. First is border, second fill. Okay. Thank you.